Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and happy Wednesday to you, September 5th today of 2018. We're halfway through the week already, so how about that? You came to school one day, halfway through the week the next, almost done when it's coming up on Friday. So hopefully all of you have a great Wednesday today. Here are some morning announcements. Just a reminder for teachers and staff and students also that we do have an early dismissal scheduled for next Wednesday at 1:05. So teachers, if you can just start reminding your students about that, that would be really helpful. And if you have any newsletters going home this week, just make sure you share that information too. It's usually one of those days we just want to make sure that parents fully understand how important it is to get their child at 1:05. We do have a storm drill today at 9 o'clock, so teachers, if you haven't done so yet, please make sure you practice those procedures with you before 9 o'clock. And then our lunch choices for today, we have pancakes with sausage, grilled barbecue chicken sandwich, or Italian sub, along with hash brown triangle, fresh celery sticks or crispy romaine lettuce, apples, bananas, diced pears or raisins, and milk. And today for our pause, we went back and are doing something about showing respect. So I do have 3 boys here to give examples about showing respect for today.
Alright, boys and girls, teachers and staff. Today for our pause, what we're going to look at or talk about is showing respect. So I have 3 boys here who have some great examples about showing respect.
Help your teachers and your friends. Help people when they're in trouble. Be nice to others.
Okay, those are all great things for our pause today of showing respect. So boys and girls, remember these 3 things and make sure you do those today with your friends and teachers.
Thank you very much, boys. And at this time, we'll take a moment of silence. All right, thank you very much. And at this time, if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand. Put your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, boys. Thank you very much for helping out with our Pledge of Allegiance for today. And boys and girls, remember, let's have a great day here at Perry Elementary. We are Perry. We need to remember that we're making great choices at all times and making sure that we're showing respect. So make sure you do that today. Everyone have a great day.